Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Oracle's data center warning is a worst-case scenario for the whole AI boom. Oracle warned investors that its massive AI infrastructure expansion faces significant risks, including construction delays, supply chain issues, rising energy costs, and regulatory hurdles, even as it ramps up spending to $95 billion annually to meet growing AI demand. I'm starting to feel like my phone upgrades are funding features I never asked for. Smartphone companies are increasingly prioritizing expensive AI features and futuristic visions over practical hardware upgrades, making even mid-range phones feel more costly and less focused on everyday user needs. Huawei just dropped a major AI chip surprise, but Nvidia should really be paying attention to the other big news from its rival. Huawei unveiled its Ascend 950DT AI chip with enhanced computing power and annual upgrade Chinese letter, directly challenging Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip market. The company claims the chip doubles computing power each year and is optimized for intelligent driving applications. Qualcomm's new chip pushes us deeper into the AR glasses era. Qualcomm has unveiled the Snapdragon Reality Elite chip, designed to power next-generation AR glasses and XR headsets with improved performance, including a 60 boost in GPU performance, 30 increase in CPU capabilities, and support for 4.4K resolution per eye. The chip also offers enhanced battery life, hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and reduced latency for faster image display. Nvidia quietly rose to the top of a $10 billion market you may have never heard of. Nvidia became the top vendor in the $10 billion data center Ethernet switch market, capturing 21.5% share in Q1 2026, up from 4% in 2024, driven by demand for its Spectrum-X networking products that integrate closely with its AI chips. The company's rise reflects growing enterprise investment in AI infrastructure and a shift toward consolidated vendor solutions. Rampant AI-driven GitHub outages force Microsoft into an unlikely alliance. Amazon steps in to keep code in line. Microsoft has enlisted Amazon's cloud services to address AI-driven outages at GitHub, which has fallen short of its service-level agreements amid surging demand for AI-assisted coding. The platform, acquired by Microsoft for $7.5 billion in 2018, is transitioning to Azure by 2027, but faces strain from increased AI-related activity and compute demands. 3 cloud computing stocks to load up on in June. The article discusses 3 cloud computing stocks that investors should consider purchasing in June, though the specific company, names and details are not provided in the truncated text. Cloud computing sector stocks are presented as attractive investment opportunities for the month. China takes the supercomputer crown without U.S. chips. China's Linshine supercomputer has claimed the top spot on the global rankings, becoming the first Chinese system to do so in nearly a decade, achieving 2.198 exaflops, while operating entirely without U.S. chips. The machine, located in Shenzhen, marks a significant milestone in supercomputing performance and chip independence amid ongoing U.S. export restrictions. SpaceX wants to build AI data centers in space. Will it work? SpaceX and other companies are pursuing ambitious plans to build orbital AI data centers to address growing computing demands and environmental concerns on Earth, but the concept faces significant technical challenges including radiation damage, heat management, and high repair costs in space. Meta is reportedly building its own cloud business. Meta is developing its own cloud business to compete with Amazon, Google, and SpaceX by selling AI model access and leasing data center computing capacity to other companies. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.